Okay, Wheezey and Chase puppies, 1 week old. Some of the colors are starting to pop. Black and tan and sable. 10 girls and 1 boy. 1 girl and a boy, of course, have already been spoken for. So we're all wiggling around trying to get in a warmer spot. What are you doing there, boy? Mama's still doing great. Wheezey's a good mama dog. Yeah. Look at the babies. That's some good sleeping right there, buddy. What are you doing?